Kirkland homeowners, do you have a water heater that's making funny noises, maybe leaking from the bottom or not producing any hot water? If your water heater is acting up, it's definitely not going to fix itself, and it won't give much warning before it completely fails. At Lighthouse Plumbing, we handle hot water replacements all day long. Quick response, no games, just reliable help. Our licensed team will get your hot water back. Whether it's a tank swap, a tankless replacement, just a fixed leak, we've got you covered. As a bonus, if you can guess which lake I'm on right now, we'll knock $200 off the next install. Don't wait for a flood or emergency. Call Lighthouse Plumbing now, get it taken care of the right way.